Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have Samsung Galaxy A55 and I want to show you how add event to your calendar on this device. Firstly, swipe up the screen and go to the calendar application. In it, choose the day when we want to add our event, maybe 21 of March, and there this plus icon. First, we can add title of our event, there we can add emoji which we see in our calendar, maybe this one, and we can change color, which we see also in calendar application. There we can set when event start and finish, or by the switch we can set it will be all day, location of our event if we need. There we can add event to our group on Gmail or our group on our Samsung users calendar. There we can set when we get notification about that, maybe the day before it's event at 5 o'clock. A repeat of our event if we need it. Notes to event, video conference, attachment, and we can invite people to our event. After we set all we need, we press save. That's all. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.